She thought she was collecting memories, but she was really collecting chains. Once upon a time, deep inside a quiet forest, lived a gentle little bird. Her feathers shone in the sunlight, and her heart was kind. But she had a strange habit. Every day, whatever she saw, heard, or felt, she would write that experience on a small stone. Whether it was something joyful or something painful, she believed every moment was worth remembering. She thought good memories should keep us smiling, and bad ones shouldn't stay in the heart. They should be written down and carried away. So each day she picked up a new stone, wrote her thoughts with her beak, and placed it in a tiny cloth bag she carried wherever she flew. At first, it felt beautiful. She enjoyed collecting her memories, believing they would guide her someday. That little bag became her treasure, filled with all the moments of her life. But as days turned into weeks, the bag grew heavier. More stones meant more weight, and soon it began to slow her wings. She couldn't fly as high as before, but she didn't notice, just kept collecting. One afternoon, she met an old wise owl. "Why do you carry that bag, little one?" the owl asked. The bird smiled proudly. "It holds my life, every joy, every pain, every lesson." The owl frowned. "But do you still live in today? Are you flying with yesterday on your back?" The little bird tilted her head, confused. She didn't understand, and with great effort she flew away. Even that flight felt heavier than ever. Weeks passed. The bag was now full and overflowing. Her wings ached, her body grew weak, and one stormy evening, when the rain poured and thunder roared, she tried to fly to safety. But she couldn't. The weight of the stones pulled her down. She fell, and the same memories she thought would help her survive crushed her delicate body. That night, the old owl returned. He looked at the small bird lying still under the heavy bag and whispered sadly, "Memories are meant to guide, not to hold you back." She tried to carry everything, and in the end, she forgot to live. Sometimes we are just like that little bird. We collect every memory, every regret, every pain, and carry them with us. But if we keep holding on to the past, even the good moments, our wings grow heavy, become too tired to enjoy today, too burdened to fly toward tomorrow. Life is about letting go. We cannot change what has already happened, but we can choose to make the present beautiful. Forgive, forget, move forward, experience new things, take new steps, live with a light heart, be grateful, be patient, and always, always keep flying forward. If you're not subscribed to Hope English Tales, you might never see us again. But if you are, congrats. You're on a journey of continuous growth.